guys, welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see some of the very latest fresher recruitment updates and internship updates. We'll be seeing the recruitment updates from Macafee. We'll be seeing a very big opportunity update from Infosys. So here, this is actually called Hack with Infi. We'll see about that. This is actually opportunity for people up to year of pass out 2025. And then we'll see some of the recruitment updates from Genpact, which is mainly for people with no coding experience or knowledge. Then we'll see internship update from IIT Kanpur, and then there is a recruitment update from Accenture, then AMDOCS, then lastly we'll be seeing a recruitment update from Renault Nissan. Okay, so we'll be seeing all these recruitment updates. So this video is basically for people with coding knowledge and non-coding people. Okay, means if you are from a coding background or a non-coding background of your graduation, please to watch this video without skipping to the end. Okay, so let's have a look on the recruitment updates one by one. So the first one is a recruitment update from Macafee. So it is a very big company to start a career with, and this is for the post of software engineer. The location is Bangalore. Currently it will be work from home only, so they are not asking for any specific qualification or degree or any certification or anything. So if you are having basic coding knowledge, if you have studied C++, Java, Python in your studies, then that is the only requirement. There is no experience requirement here. Okay, so that is the first job update, which is from Macafee. They have actually given the perks and benefits, all the details here. So please to apply here. The location is Bangalore. Currently it will be work from home. Okay, the next one is a update from Infosys. It is called Hack with Infi. So this is basically a challenge or it is a coding challenge, you can say, and here you can get up to so yeah, you will get up to prize 2 lakh rupees for the first prize winner. First runner-up will be getting 1 lakh rupees. Second runner-up will be getting 50,000 rupees. Now, for the people who have not been the first, second, third positions, don't worry. You will get a pre-placement opportunity or an interview. Also, a lot of internship opportunities is there. So this is not just a coding challenge, but they are actually calling for intern post. Okay, now let's have a look on what is the eligibility criteria, who all can give this challenge and participate in this challenge. Okay, so this is for people with 18 years and above, and the qualifications they're asking is BTech, MEMTech students with the year of pass out 23, 24 and 25. For a lot of people there is actually opportunities. Okay, so if you are participating in this challenge or in this event, there will be actually 2 rounds. Round 1 will be happening on March 6th, 7th and 8th, 2022. So this is the round 1. Okay, and in an online individual participation round, it will be an individual participation round. Okay, now the final round will be happening from July 1st to July 4th. It is a 48-hour hackathon among teams and the grand finale. Okay, so this will be happening. Round 1 will be there and round 2 will be there. All the other details they have given here about what is going to be the round 1, round 2, all the details you can get in this page. So if you are interested, you can definitely read out this and you can register here. So this is not just a challenge or it is not an event. It is actually a lot of internship opportunities and pre-placement opportunities. So you will get placements in Infosys if you participate in this event, which is called Hack with Infi. Code, collaborate and conquer. That is the tagline of this event. Okay, so please do apply for it as soon as possible before it is the deadline. Okay, the next recruitment updates we are going to see is from Jetpack. So for people who are not having any coding related knowledge, you will be getting opportunities here in Jetpack. So the first one we are going to see is Senior Process Associate. So the minimum qualification is graduate in any discipline. You don't need to have any coding knowledge or anything. You can apply if you are from a non-coding background also. Freshers are eligible. Okay, so this is the eligibility criteria here. It is been posted on January 14th. It is a very latest update. The location is Hyderabad. The next one is exclusively for people with BCom related educational qualification. Okay, so the freshers of BCom, BSc and BA, any graduate except technical, means except BTech backgrounds, all the other candidates can apply here for the post of Process Associate Banking. So this is a banking transactions, banking related post. Okay, So if you are interested, you can definitely apply. The location also they have given here, it is Jaipur. Okay, currently most of these jobs will be work from home, so don't worry about the location. The next is next update or the next recruitment update. It is actually an internship update which is called Search. It is an initiative by IIT Kanpur. So you will get internship opportunity here. Yeah. So you will get to do your summer internship project or summer internship in IIT Kanpur. So this is for people with BBTech, BArch, BS or 5-year courses or BSc and BA. Okay. So for BBTech candidates, you should have completed your third year. For 5-year degree program, third year completed and fourth year completed. BSc, BA, second year completed. Okay, actually opportunities for people from India and also for other countries. So you can, if you are from other country like Bhutan or Nepal, so for these candidates also you will get to do your summer internship in IIT Kanpur. Okay, so for the other countries, they have actually given like BB Tech 5-year integrated courses and BSc and BA. For the people from India, there is actually more than that opportunity. That is for BBTech, BArch students and BS students who have completed third year, and the 5-year degree courses who have completed third year and fourth year, BSc, BA students who have completed second year, and MSc second year student who have completed the first year. MSc is a 2-year course. So if you have completed the first year, you can apply. Okay. They have given the details of what all things are required. Recent passport size photograph you require while filling the application form. A single PDF format of application form. Also a research proposal, not more than in 500 words. Means if you are interested in doing a research in a particular area, or if you are interested in doing a research in a topic, you have to mention about the topic in not more than 500 words. Okay. Then a single PDF format of recommendation letter. Okay, so these recommendation letters, your application form and your research transcript, all these things you have to send. Okay, so that is the requirements. Okay, so we have seen which all educational backgrounds are eligible for this internship. So if you are eligible, please do apply for it. Okay, so this is actually a big internship opportunity from IIT Kanpur. Okay, now the next one is a recruitment update from Accenture. So Accenture is hiring for Associate Software Engineer is the job role. So let's have a look on the eligibility criteria. This is for 2020 and 2021 graduate students. So yeah, BB Tech, MEM Tech, MCA, MSc 2020 and 2021 pass out people are eligible for this recruitment. There should be no, there should not be any active backlogs, maximum 1-year gap of education. So this is the details here. Also, they have given what is the job description. Let's have a look on the job description. So this is a direct hiring of associate software engineer, BB Tech, MEM Tech, MCA and MSc students of computer science, IT and IT only. Okay. So only for computer science and IT, this recruitment is being conducted. Okay. So 2020 and 2021 pass out candidates are eligible here. Okay. So this is the recruitment update from Accenture. If you are having this eligibility, please do apply. If you are from the 2020 or 21 batch pass out. Okay. The next recruitment update is from AMDOCS. So AMDOCS is hiring for diversity intern. Okay. So the post name is diversity intern. This is a internship opportunity for female candidates only. Okay. So the year of pass out they are calling is 2022 batch of BB Tech, MEM Tech, Electronics and Communication, Electronics and Telecommunication, Computer Science and IT. Okay. 60% throughout academics. So this internship is only for female candidates. 2022 batch pass out only is eligible. BB Tech, MEM Tech with the streams Electronics and Communication, Electronics and Telecommunication, Computer Science and IT. Also, you need to have 60% in your all milestones of education and no break or gaps, year gap is allowed. Okay. The location is Pune is the location. So that is a recruitment update from AMDOCS, and the last one is a recruitment update from Renault Nissan. So this is for graduate engineer trainee and the location is Chennai. The salary is 4.25 to 4.75 lakhs per annum is the salary of the package which they are offering. The eligibility criteria is BTech with the streams of education, computer science, IT, EEE, EC, E&I, and IN, information science and computing. So this is the streams which they are looking for. Year of pass out is 22. Minimum 70% you require here. Okay. No standing backlogs. Also, there will be 3 years of bond with the company. So if you are having this eligibility and if you are willing, you can definitely apply by clicking on this icon which is called apply now. Okay. So these are the recruitment updates which we are seeing in this video. If you are interested in any of these job updates, all the links I'll be putting in description. Please do check out and please do apply for it. So that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. If yes, please like the video and share the video with your friends. Tell them to subscribe. And that's it. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.